what I need.
Here's a very clean, very nice 1963 Cadillac Fleetwood Series 75 limo. It's a very cool car with 66,000 original miles on it. Came out of Idaho, Twin Falls, Idaho, the White Mortuary. The original owners on it. We have the history on it. Went there, then I went to a collector up in northern Arizona. So it's a nice rust-free car. Very clean driver. The gentleman that I got it from used to drive it all the time. Just recently went on about a 200-mile trip with it. No issues at all. It's got working air conditioning. Pretty much everything works in the car. It's all there. Very well kept. Very nice chrome and trim and glass. Door handles are nice. There's no pitting in any of the chrome. It's never been in the salt during the bad weather. All the side trim's very nice. Glass is all very nice in it. Hubcaps are nice and clean. It says there's a mortuary around it, so it's pretty well kept. All the chrome's very nice on it. It's all original chrome, it looks like. Well, you know, a couple little marks here and there, but nothing where you need to replace anything. It's great for what the car is, a fun driver or just a collector, or use it as a wedding car, or you can make money with it even. The chrome's nice and bright. All the trim's nice and bright. Everything lines up really well on the car. The paint job is a good driver paint job. It's very nice. It looks excellent. I mean, you're not going to win any shows with it, I don't think, but it looks very good for what it is. It shows beautifully. I'm just really picky. You know, it's not a 10, but it's a good 7 paint job. Being white, it, you know, hides all flaws. There's really no nicks or dings in it at all. Overall, the chrome's in excellent condition for being original. If you glue really hard, you can find a couple little nicks, but all the trim's very nice in it. Inside's very clean. The seats and carpet have been redone at one time. The door panels and dash, the headliner and everything do look to be all original. Open, but the dash is nice and clean. You can see it's a 66,000 original mile car. You can tell just by how clean the dash is, and the steering wheel's got no cracks. Door panels are very nice. Sill plates are nice. Headliner's nice and clean. Are nice. This weather stripping looks to be original, actually. Back here, the divider part is a non-divider limo, non-divider window, so just an open window there. It's very clean. The footrest. These seats are actually original seats, jump seats, original upholstery on them. The AC controls. The AC does actually work. All the windows work. The courtesy lights, they work from that door, but not this door. So I don't know. That's one thing you have to look into. Gentleman I got through from had several Cadillacs. We use this one. This is a fun car to go out at night and see how the drive. It's a great car just to put away as a collector's item, have fun with, or you can, make money with it. Under the hood is all stock and correct, and looks like someone detailed it at one time, but it's nice and clean. Shows very well. Inside the trunk, it's very clean. Got most of the original material, all the cardboard and stuff. The bottom part they did replace. It's nice and solid, you can see. It's not the correct stuff, obviously, but you can buy it, find it. You want it to be 100%, but it looks good the way it is. Under the trunk lid, you see it's nice and clean. The lip there is nice. Nice clean car. Car starts right up. All the gauges work. Temp gauge, gas gauge, lights, wipers. Say the AC works. Blows cold. All the windows go up and down. The seat goes back and forth. Power seat. Even the clock works in it. Horn works. Directionals work. Suspension's nice and tight. The car is nice and quiet. This has got a newer exhaust system right there. Brakes work great. Steering wheel's nice and straight going on the road. Doesn't make any rattles or weird noises.
it's a smooth driving car.